The Guppy Multiple Moving Average Long Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Traders can also read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, 6 moving averages are displayed on the chart. The Guppy Multiple Moving Average Long Indicator is a special and highly practical tool that allows us to clearly identify the prevailing market trend. Additionally, we can also use the specific zones formed by the moving averages as important support or resistance areas. As we can see here, we can enter a trade in the direction of the trend, or after a break of the moving averages and a pullback to the zone, we can enter a sell trade. In the settings section, under inputs, there is only one option available to us. Here, we can change the color of the moving averages to any color we like. The 6 moving averages that are shown here have periods of 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 60, respectively, and each of these averages is calculated using the exponential method. All of them are then displayed together on the chart for easy comparison. Well, friends, we've reached the end of the tutorial for this indicator. I would be glad if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.